This was a project that took probably about 5 years to complete. This car was very old, very rusty in places, and a lot of the mechanical parts needed complete refurbishment. So the volunteers over the years completely stripped it, rebuilt the body where needed, including making panels, because of course you can't get replacement panels for a car of this age, and actually making them and welding them into place. We even painted it ourselves as an exercise. We hand painted it with 4-inch foam rollers, which we were all intrigued to know how that would work out, but I'm rather pleased with the end result, in that after using the rollers and many hours of rubbing down and elbow grease, the finish is actually very good, and we're very pleased with it. It's rather nice when I'm here doing guiding on some days that people ask about this, and I'm in a position of saying, I did that.